In this video, you'll learn how to connect OpenClaw AI to Threads. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate these two platforms for enhanced functionality. Begin by locating the search box on your Windows system. Click on the search box, typically found in the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This action opens a field where you can type commands. Next, type in Windows PowerShell into the search field. As you type, a list of matching applications will appear. Look for the one labeled Windows PowerShell and proceed to the next step. Once you see Windows PowerShell in the search results, right-click on it. This action will present you with a context menu. From this menu, select to Run as Administrator to ensure you have the necessary permissions to execute commands. After the PowerShell window opens, type in OpenClaw and press the Enter key. This command initiates the OpenClaw application. Wait for a moment as the system processes your request, which may take a few seconds. Now type OpenClaw Gateway in the PowerShell window and press Enter again. This command connects you to the OpenClaw Gateway, preparing the environment for further actions. Next, copy the URL http://127.001.18789 from the PowerShell window. You can do this by highlighting the text, right-clicking, and selecting copy. This URL will be used to access the OpenClaw control in your web browser. Open your default web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you typically use. Once the browser is open, proceed to the next step. In the browser's address bar, paste the copied URL http://127.001.18789 and press Enter. This action will direct you to the OpenClaw control interface where you can manage your settings and integrations. Once the OpenClaw control page loads, look for the chat option on the interface. Click on chat to access the chat functionality, which is essential for integrating with Threads. Now type in integrate with Threads into the chat input field and press Enter. This command signals your intent to connect OpenClaw with Threads, initiating the integration process. A response will appear confirming your request. It will ask if you mean Meta Threads, the social app, and whether you want this integration for posting or replying. When prompted, type 1 to indicate that you want to post or reply from OpenClaw. This selection will help clarify your integration needs to the system. After submitting your choice, you will receive another message regarding posting or replying. Salutate. This message confirms that OpenClaw can facilitate this functionality. Next, you will be informed that OpenClaw does not currently have a built-in Threads channel plugin. The message will present you with options for integrating. Type 1 again to proceed with creating a custom OpenClaw channel plugin for Threads. This step is necessary for establishing a tailored integration solution. Once you confirm your choice, you will see a message stating that the new plugin has been scaffolded. This indicates that the system is preparing the necessary components for integration. Following this, the system will prompt you to load and configure the new plugin. Ensure you are ready to complete these configurations as they are vital for full functionality. Next, obtain your access token from developer.facebook.com. This token is crucial for authenticating your integration with Threads, allowing for secure communication between the platforms. After securing your access token, you will need to edit the relevant code to incorporate this token. This editing process is essential to ensure the integration functions correctly. Finally, paste the edited code into the chat box within the OpenClaw interface. This action finalizes the integration setup, allowing you to leverage the combined capabilities of OpenClaw and Threads. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.